my gosh, you guys. I feel the weight of my car is so much heavier with all of these groceries in it. And I am on my way to Walmart right now. And a couple of the extra things are in Brandon's car. It's gonna be a big one. You know, the thing I love also about Walmart grocery pickup is that I can go right after I go to Costco, and all of the stuff that I've gotten that's, you know, frozen or refrigerated, it doesn't get hot in my car because I literally pull in, they load it, and I leave. So it really lets me go to 2 stores at once in one day because I can maximize my time that way, and it's quick. So you should try it. Check in the description box below and I'll put a link for a coupon code. You'll get $10 off your first order if you've never tried it. I also get $10, so if you do it, thank you. Okay, we got the Walmart grocery pickup. I'm driving, so if I don't look at you, that is why. I'm trying to be safe and save time by recording now. So our Costco haul will basically last us for the month, and then we'll go in 2 weeks for some fresh fruit and vegetables. But we're stocking up on a lot of stuff now, so it will last us most of the month. So I pulled up into the Walmart area and I didn't even have to call. They were like out at my car in probably 20 seconds. It was great. Okay guys, I'm back. Let me show you what we got on our big Costco haul and Walmart grocery pickup haul. Okay, we're gonna start over here. We've got peaches. Oh, also the prices will be down here. So if you are curious or want to compare to other stores, I will put them down below. Peaches. Peaches are in season right now and they taste amazing. Applesauce for Benjamin lunches. We have some pecans, however you say it, for snacking. Also some walnuts. My husband's trying to do some keto, so we're gonna get some nuts. Peanut butter for sandwiches and, you know, everything else. We have grapes and strawberries and blueberries and some raspberries for fruit for Benjamin. He loves fruit. We encourage eating fruit. Also some bananas up here. This I got because I have been trying to find some good pants and leggings postpartum. Anyways, gonna try them out. I'll let you know how I like them. We got some eggs. We go through these in 2 weeks for sure. There's what, 60 in here, I think. 120 ounces. Oh my goodness. Also, we got some chips. They were on sale. Those are for Benjamin lunches, and let's be real, sometimes we eat them too. Canned tuna because we are all out from last time. Mayonnaise was on sale, so we got that. Craisins. I like these instead of raisins, so we get them. Parmesan cheese crisps for Brandon's snacking for keto. Listen, I went for shredded cheese this time because I don't have time to shred the blocks, but I do prefer the blocks and shredding it on my own, but took the easy way out today. Mozzarella. This mozzarella is very different tasting than the shredded mozzarella, so I still got the block and I'll shred that and put it in the freezer and then keep some fresh. Greek yogurt. Benjamin likes this with honey. It's good with granola. I make some homemade granola, which is right here. It's so good and so easy. So we got that for lunches and snacking. Frozen strawberries and frozen mangoes. Good for a snack, also good in smoothies. And Brandon found these egg thins with cauliflower. Keto friendly. No gluten ingredients, 0 net carbs, ready to eat. So we're going to try them. Has anyone tried these? Let me know if you liked them. Some ground beef. This is $3.29 a pound. So I'm going to portion that out and freeze it. And so I have, actually I might cook it and then freeze it in portions so it's even easier. And that way it's already ready to go. I can just defrost it overnight. I don't even have to cook it later. We got some brats to grill or do whatever with. Brandon wanted these. But we also got some cooked kielbasa because that is very easy protein for Benjamin, for breakfast, for us. Very easy dinners. Oh, also ham we're going to slice on our slicer. We'll show you how to do that. Seasoned roast beef. We had made roast beef from whatever it comes from. Eye of Round, I'm told. But we're going to try this out. It was a little easier, and we have a lot going on this month, so we're going to do that. Carrots, baby carrots, because I'm going to steam some and roast some. Going to make some baby food out of some. Mix it with some probably fruit for Brielle. Also got some spinach for salads or to saute. Romaine lettuce for salads, because I love salad. I could eat it every day. This huge hunk of meat was $30. It's a boneless pork shoulder butt. We're actually going to split it with a friend of ours. And this is what I use to make carnitas that are so, so good in the crock pot. I think I have a video coming out that shows you how to do that. So you got to try it. Boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Also, I like to do in the crock pot because I can shred it and even cook a whole bunch and then freeze it in portions, just like with the beef. This is a Romano we get instead of buying the Parmesan that's already grated. We just grate this and put it in that same container to shake out. Benjamin loves that on everything we let him put it on. I was really craving feta, so this is a 2-pack. It's only $10, so $5 for each of these. I'll just put it in whatever container I have. It was cheaper to buy it like this than in a plastic container, and it's easy to crumble, so it's really not a big deal. Frozen broccoli, good for roasting from scratch. I didn't know you could roast from frozen, but I learned it on YouTube from Our Tribe of Many. Thank you, Sarah. Also, some grilled salmon, because we need to start eating a little more fish for variety. Sometimes Benjamin actually will eat fish, so we're going to try this. We already know it's good. We just haven't gotten it in a while. Way back here, some whole chickens, 2 of them. So basically, it's $6 a chicken. So I've done it roasted in the oven, and I've also roasted it in the crock pot and then used the shreds for quesadillas, or you can use it in soup. Pretty much anything you can top with shredded chicken. And then I freeze whatever we don't use. Super easy. Freeze everything, guys. It's great. This was on sale, so we got this. I'm actually going to add it to my free and clear dispenser. There's like half of it left. And kind of mix it with that. Vinegar, because we use it for all types of cleaning things as well as for food. We got this snack. We prefer the whole milk, not the light reduced fat version of the Swiss cheese, but this will do. Swiss cheese is good. Good for snacking. Also with ham and roast beef. And look, an umbrella, because it's Florida and it rains every single day here by 3 o'clock. So Brandon got this for himself. Mushrooms, because, sauteing these, so good. And, okay, I think that's all for Costco. So let me show you what we got for Walmart grocery pickup. Let's start over here. We needed an air filter. We have 3 more months-ish in this house, and so I just got 1. Old-fashioned oats for granola, and we make our own oatmeal packs. A cheese pizza, because you just never know when you need something in the freezer for dinner. These are good for breakfast for Benjamin. Maple sausages. We just heat them up. Good protein. I got some cucumber. I don't always like cucumber, but I think I'm going to do this with some feta and tomatoes. Tomatoes are right here. As a little snack, maybe with some balsamic. Cilantro, because cilantro is good in everything. I'm going to put it in the egg casserole that I'm going to make. Breakfast egg casserole. Got some milk for pancakes, and what else did I get it for? Some other recipe. And I got some cottage cheese. I'm going to try to see if Benjamin will eat this with some fruit. Trying to expand his horizons. Coleslaw, because I'm going to put this in the egg casserole for breakfast, and then one to cook and make, one to make coleslaw with, to go with the carnitas. This is honey ham. I actually got it for the Tupperware for Benjamin's lunches. It's bigger than I thought, but I'll probably still use that. I know I can just buy Tupperware, but I get ham with this, and we just use them until they crack, so hey. Breakfast sausage, I got 2 maples. One I will use right away. These 2 I will put in the freezer and defrost it when I need to make another egg casserole. I thought I didn't get baby carrots. When I was in Costco, I looked at my Walmart list, thought I didn't have any. I did, but it's okay because I'm going to freeze whatever we don't use in the next week or so, and then I can just roast it from frozen. Guys, that has saved my life. And also, I can use it in smoothies. Carrots are great in smoothies, and I don't know, they taste really good. Okay, I got a bunch of backup baby food for Brielle. So I try to get stuff that's not easy for me to make, like butternut squash. Okay, I'm not really probably going to make that. And squash apple corn. So try to get stuff that's not easy for me to make. I use backup, you know, because sometimes I just don't have time to make stuff. A cantaloupe. Got some vanilla extract, onion soup mix, and beefy onion soup mix. These are also good to put on the chicken when I'm cooking it in the crock pot. Brown gravy mix and ranch, also good for seasoning chicken in the crock pot. Benjamin kind of needed a new toothbrush, so we got him this Avengers one. This is Iron Man. I think we picked out a different one, but anyways, he'll like Iron Man because he's a boy. Some English muffins. I'm gonna freeze all but a couple for breakfast. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so good and addicting. I got these and these for work, so people at work, you know who you are. I got them for you guys. And what I forgot to say last time is that these Great Value like Dorito knockoffs taste just like the Doritos brand. So good. If you haven't tried it, try it. It's half the price. It's amazing. I got these pork rinds for Brandon. Some whole wheat bread for peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, for toast, for anything bread related. We needed some shampoo. I got this clarifying one because we wanted to try something else. It was cheap. Also, we got some tortillas, some carb balance ones, some regular ones for quesadillas. We also make tortitas. They're like tortilla pizzas. Also good, very easy. We might try that this month. And some pita pockets. These looked good, and I think I'll have these for lunch. And it'll be easy for Benjamin to have these for lunch to add some good carbs into his lunch. Usually we packed him like Lunchable type things with ham and fruit and cheese, but maybe I'll try to do half of this so that he can get some more carbs because he's eating a lot these days. Also, we got this at Costco. Forgot to show you. And what's great about it is it's a flat plug and a flat cord. This was $15, $14.99 for 2 of them, which was great. And it has a USB charging in it on this one. And then also, let me show you, we got some storage bins because my plan is, you guys know we're moving. And so these are 4 of them for the garage and 2 for the kids' room. And shout out to this guy who helped me carry everything in and met me at Costco because he was leaving work a little bit early for a break today. And he helped me carry everything. Thanks, babe.
You're welcome, wife.
All right, guys, we will see you in the next video.